sūtu sveicienus jums no Rīgas. My name is Helen. I'm a textile designer and the owner of Art and Craft Workshop. This is exactly the place where hand-knitted mittens live. Well, of course, not only mittens. In this video, I would like you to get acquainted with our studying process results. The tutorials were carried out on the basis of Knitting Together project, which has been held over the past 3 years, in the period from 2017 to 2019. The schedule consisted of 12 master classes online and gave a chance to upgrade skills in knitting techniques step by step from the 2nd to the 5th level. More than 200 people from different parts of the world took part in it, and were offered about 50% discount by purchasing only knitting set with pattern and yarn and getting online tutorials for free. The finalists demonstrated their handmade knitwear in the competitions, where the fans and common spectators could vote for their favorites. The best works were awarded with diplomas, valuable prizes, and of course an offer to continue their upgrade on the next level absolutely for free. At the same time, 6 offline master classes were organized in the Russian Federation, in Tumen, in France on the Côte d'Azur, and in Italy in Torino. I would like to express my sincere gratitude for organizing the event and welcoming home atmosphere. The online program includes step-by-step video tutorials on my special technique of multicolor knitting, the introduction to the pattern competition and color choice, practical training, and personal guidance to the process. If you really got interested in your skill training, then welcome to the catalog to choose a knitting set and a master class. The link is given under the video. Let me invite you to the bright and cozy world of real handmade fairy tales, which I share with you. And finally, the classic YouTube phrase: subscribe to my channel and put your thumbs up. I will also be grateful to your donation. The link to PayPal wallet is here in the description. Bye, and see you later.